See how it's getting kind of bubbly?
Oh! Oh! Gross!
Just saying. Hey friends, this is Rachel, 4 Kids and a Farm. And I actually just wanted to take you through a day on the farm with us. We're gonna check the quail today. And we've been waiting for these quail to lay eggs, but nobody's laying eggs. I don't know if it's because it's cold or if because they're all male. I have no idea. I hear a lot of crowing in that pen, so wish me luck. And we're gonna be seed organizing today. We got this beautiful idea from Whispering Willow Farm. Go check out her video. I'm gonna link that below about seed organizing. I did a story on my Instagram stories about it. It's a game changer. I'm super excited because we've just been putting our seeds in a box and a lid, and it's kind of messy. I don't know if anyone else out there does that, but I have to plant some more ranunculus flowers. They're popping up, so I need to put those in the ground. Oh, I have to go get feed as well. So we're gonna go to the feed store because we're out of chicken food and quail food. Take my little buddy with me today. Just come around with us, see what's going on the farm. So now it's off to the feed store. Alright, we're going to the feed store. Are you so excited? AJ is not excited. He's like,
it's another trip to the feed store.
I got my helper. We gone.
Dad gave me a bit of career advice and said, never work at a feed store or else you'll come home with hay stuffed in your underpants and up your crack.
Oh, up your crack, oh my gosh. I can't believe you said that. Okay. Whew. So we're hoping all this hay is going to last us until we can get our sheep back on pasture. So we're hoping this is the last trip so that we can get them on pasture and they'll be happy as clams. Yay for hay. Now we gotta unload it, put it under the barn. Ugh. Okay, so we've got our hay unloaders coming. Here's one now. We are not riding right now. Let's go unload. Not with that. You have no idea. I've done my skills. You got it? Woo! Good job, turkey. Alright, so flip it around. There you go. Okay, put it up. You got it. Good job. Here. Go, Pharoah, go. Alright you guys, we're all stacked up. Thankful for good helpers, huh? How do you get your kids to do chores? We just like include them in everything. We just got done with the hay, stacked it up, got it all taken care of, And now we're gonna go check the quail. So we have these two, we have the colors. I'm hoping there's a female in there somewhere, but I'm really thinking that it's gonna be a male dominated fortress. So we'll see. So anyway, we have these. Aaron just ordered them off Amazon. So just a quick mention, this idea, I've seen it other places, but the first person that I can think of is our wonderful friends at the Walker Farm Fam. They did this with their quail. And so they just went in and they sexed them and they figured out who is male, who is female, and then they put a little thing around their foot, just loosely so it's not cutting off circulation, to tell if it was male or female. So that's what we're gonna go do today, and wish us luck. They're all bathing in the sunshine. Oh, then they get all spooked out. If you have too many males, they'll compete with each other and they'll start pecking each other's eyes out. It's really brutal, actually. We actually had one that we found that had his eyes just pecked out to death, and it didn't survive, so it was really sad. But so we found out that if there are too many males, they'll compete with each other. There's the sound. And they'll peck each other's eyes out. So we are gonna try and keep our males to a minimum. And hopefully we have some females in here. I hope. We'll have to do the test and see. Aaron, on our quail cage build, he made this lovely shelf. It's really dirty right now. Farm life. But he made this so that it slants down and then the eggs come out and they'll be caught right here, but we're getting nothing. Hi. Hey, little buddies. Just hanging out in the sunshine. Okay, so you have to be careful with them when you pull them out, because
they tend to struggle.
Yeah, they struggle. Just hold them nicely.
So how do you check? How do you check?
Flip them over. Hold on, buddy. You flip them over and then you spread eagle.
Oh.
I know, hold on. You spread eagle, and if they foam, which he's foaming, see how it's getting kind of bubbly?
Oh! Oh! Gross!
Just saying.
So if they foam,
Okay.
they're what?
Okay.
Male? Female? Which one?
Right.
Male? Female? Which one?
This is a male.
Okay, so if they're male,
hold on,
they
buddy.
foam. If they're female, they don't
Okay.
foam.
I'm going to just hold him snugly.
Which
It's
leg?
already done. I'll show you the next one.
Which leg?
It doesn't matter. Just grab one of his little legs and go softly around. Hi, sis.
What are you doing?
We're seeing who is male and who is female.
So this is a male?
Yeah, so this one's a little male.
So it foams around the...
His private parts. Okay, make sure his leg is in there, not his foot. Perfect. And then just go a little bit snugger so it doesn't fall off. A little more.
That?
A little more. A little more. Just go a little bit. So it's loosely on it, a little more. Yeah, just make sure it's loosely on there. So that's good. It's not, oh, hold on, buddy.
Got my little tool.
It's on there. He's not, it's got a little room in there so that it's not gonna hurt his poor little leg. Perfect. Thank you. That was great. All right, so we got a boy. Boy number 1.
And the pink ones are the girls.
You're free.
The pink ones are the girls.
Yeah, pink ones are
Do you
girls.
guys have any girls?
No, not yet. We've
So
only...
far.
No.
Okay.
That must
Time for
be
tests.
a boy.
Time for
All
the
right.
test.
Please be a boy.
Please be a boy.
Kate just wants to
You
see
want a
the
boy?
phone. You just want
Oh.
Kate just
I
wants...
think this, I've heard this guy crow, so I think this one,
Kate just wants
this is
to
a
see
boy.
the phone.
Look how pretty
That's
he is.
my kid. That's my kid.
Oh, hold on, buddy. Oh, is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so sweet. All right, so we're gonna gently flip him over, and then you pull back their feather parts. And then if they foam, that's usually,
They're not foaming.
yeah, he's not foaming. I'm thinking you're a girl. Oh, yay.
Okay, Mama.
So this one, I think is a girl.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, so put it around her little foot.
This one?
Yep. It's okay. Good job. Perfect. And then just do it softly. Don't tie it all the way, because you want it to be a little loose around her foot.
Is that good?
Maybe just a teeny tiny more. You're doing great. Okay, do 2 more tiny ones. 1. Oh, you're really good at that. Perfect. Now see, that still slides up and down. Still slides up. Oh, yep, she didn't like that. Oh, sorry, honey. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to hold her foot out of the way. If I just hold her like that, then you can pick. Perfect. All right.
I want to put her.
So we have a girl. I think. I'm hoping. Okay, put her softly in. Oh, good job. Oh, oh, there she goes. I'm hoping we have one girl. Didn't see any foam or anything come up, so I hope this is correct. I know. Hold on, buddy. Yeah, I know. So we're going to go ahead and check the sky. It's here. This one's ready to go. Will that fit over her foot? Oh, hold on for her little toesies. All right, perfect. A little more. Remember how loose the other one was? Just a little bit more.
1, 2.
She's sexually mature yet, so. Oh, oh, okay. All right, can you go on that side of the cage, bud?
Mama, how about I do the girls and Kay does the boys?
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, see that foam?
Oh. Ew.
I know. See how they foam? This guy is a guy.
Yeah.
Here, sis.
What quails do?
Here, baby.
I'm going to go in Danny's car now.
Okay, that's fine. Here.
I'll put it on.
That's probably good. It's loose. Here we go. All right, buddy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Foamy squeezy.
Ew.
Final count was we've got 4 male and 6 female. Some breeds of quail you can find out if they're male or female by the colors of their feathers. This is a Pharoah Coturnix cross. That aspect of their feathers doesn't breed true, and so we have to squeeze them to find out if they're male or females, and it's not a big deal. The kids and Rachel did a really good job finding out who was who. Once we can collect enough eggs, we can put those in the incubator, we can hatch a whole new group of quail, and we can just purely raise those for meat. So this is exciting because we can be self-sufficient, we can raise them on our own property over and over again, and we really got to find out if it's something that we like to do, if they taste good, if we want to keep doing it. So follow us along for that. I also have lots of ideas of how to upgrade this cage. You guys have made a lot of suggestions. I've got to make a water, I've got to make a feeder, we've got to make a little flap for the egg tray. So lots of stuff quail coming from our channel, so jump in there, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you, it helps us live this homesteading lifestyle, and we'll see you in the next video.